This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 3rd, 2023. It's currently May 16th, 2023, 9:50 p.m. Eastern Time. The June 3rd reading for Ethereum was created on May 6th, 2023 at 10:28 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. And the overall theme and behavior for the third, we have on the 1 month, it's bullish price swings. On the 1 day, we have erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, in the midst of which we revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. Makes a lot of sense. We have a cross-reading congruency here for a highest high again. So we most likely see a highest high again or close here on the 3rd. That's the revisiting of the crest, and we have a lot of back and forth behavior going on. Behavior around the highest high. Either we have two highs here on the 3rd, or we have just sideways fluidity, bearish, equal amounts of bulls and bears inflow and outflow back and forth along the high. And you can see here around the low, we have bullish price swings out of the low. So a lot of back and forth. This is all talking about back and forth, a lot of volatility and wild swings. Advice to trade around an unexpected move to the upside. And that stands out on a 1-day chart. There's a trade opportunity between roughly midnight and 2 a.m. A lot of price change around an important resistance level that's highlighted on a multi-day scale. We should see a high here for the day, and we have quite a lot of price change. We establish and rotate sideways along support between roughly 2 and 4 a.m., rising to meet the nearest resistance and then falling back down and continuing to rotate sideways. Between roughly 4 and 6, we have a move higher through key resistance. We stay above it briefly. It's near overbought territory, and we sell off through that same resistance level, through that same price level, pretty notably, with the full retracement that it then continues further into the 6 to 8 a.m. hour. Somewhere around 7 a.m., there's a rally that commences, doesn't last long, and we start selling off again somewhere between roughly 8 and 10 a.m. through multiple support levels, continuing to decline into somewhere between roughly 10 and 12. Out of that decline between roughly 10 and 12, we have a notable move higher. First, we establish support with some sideways rotation. Then there's a notable move higher standing out on a 1-day chart, followed by the establishment of support at a higher level. This takes place between roughly noon and 2 p.m. And then between roughly 2 and 4 p.m., we have a rally that increases with the momentum moving forward in time. A real notable move around 4 p.m. And then I'm advised not to chase the rally here. There may even be headwinds that would make us think we're going lower, but we still move higher here around 4 p.m. I'm advised not to chase the rally. It looks like it probably ends with a trade opportunity somewhere between 4 and 6 a.m., followed by selling from an overbought crest or peak down to and through multiple support levels between roughly 6 and 8. An important resistance level highlighted between roughly 8 and 10 p.m. A lot of price change. Actually, an important resistance level highlighted between roughly 8 and 8 p.m. and midnight. And it looks like quite a lot of price change taking us into a low, or possibly a lowest low there at the end of the day in the last 4 hours of trading. The sneak preview card for the following day talks about bearish price swings, and overall volume for the day looks like was notably bearish, offering some opportunity. And that's Ethereum for June 3rd, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so on our resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where we ask that you donate 5% of the profits forward to one of the charities, 5% of the profits backwards to the channel, and spend that 90% remaining left over out of love. As long as you follow these rules, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. I'll see you on the next one, my friends.